What's up, everybody? It's your boy Q. You know who. Back with another video. Thank y'all for kicking it with me today. What do you think about my outro? My intro? What you think about my intro? Do I look silly doing it? It's funny watching me actually do it. You should actually record me right now on my phone so y'all can see what I look like. I'm gonna show y'all what I look like doing this. No, but like from another person's perspective. So here we go. You gonna record me?
Wait,
Yeah.
what?
You record me on this phone. Yeah, it does. You follow what I'm saying? All right.
No.
Hit the record. It's recording. All right, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Q. You know who, and I'm back with another video. See? So now you get to see it from like if you would see me doing it. You miss what I'm saying?
I think you're missing what you're saying.
No, she ain't following what I'm saying. What I'm trying to say is like they see me doing this face to face, but like if somebody passed by on the street and saw me, they're like, what the hell he doing? But he flying. Let him go by. Oh, he trying to go somewhere.
He ain't going nowhere.
He ain't making a lot of noise though. He ain't going nowhere in that Jeep. But anyway, now you want to drive fast. That's a big dude in that Jeep though. He in the rush, man. Anyway. Oh my God.
Swagger wagon.
That's a honk. That's a honk. Come on, man. And we just cutting people off like that. It's midday traffic in Texas, man. People be trying to fly, get to home. Halloween. It's Halloween day, so people just all over the place. So we gotta have patience. Yeah, they was wrong though. They was wrong for that. So that's what I look like somebody walking by. But on camera, they just see me. Yeah, they see.
They see her.
Yeah, there you go. Now she with me. Now she with me.
Yeah, y'all knew that was coming from.
But anyway, so we about to go pick up Red, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and talk about it before I get there. $1,500 just to get my heater working, man. $1,500. Huh? For real. $1,500, bro. So when I took it in, I did not think it would be $1,500 freaking out. I'm not gonna lie to you. So he first, Brody, and I appreciate Brody. We got some good news too after this. But Brody, who's the service provider taking care of me, texted me. He's like, hey man, it's the actuator. And like we replaced that was $500 for the actuator after service and labor, like $580. What is this guy doing? He just like the sound of it. I mean, it sounds pretty good, but it's a Jeep, bro. It's not going nowhere. You said it sound like a Honda? it does, but it ain't going nowhere. He making all that noise like it's a Jeep, bro. You're not going, especially with them big tires on there. So it's $580 for the actuator and labor. Oh, okay, cool. A few days go by, he texts me like, hey, I'm gonna give you a call. So he calls me, he's like, okay, we replaced the actuator, but the heater will work for a little bit and then it would just short out again. He's like, basically it's shorting out the actuator too. I'm like, okay. He's like, so what we diagnosed and now found is that yes, it did need a new actuator, which, I mean, bro, if you watch this video, bro, I'm just being honest. I don't know if it needed a new actuator and the second issue was the main issue, but he said, yes, it did need a new actuator, but the FCIM, which is like front control something module. Hold on, let me go find that real quick for y'all. The front control interface module. He said that is bad and it's causing the actuator to short out when you put the new one in there. That is $1,000. So I was like, okay, $1,000 total or additional? He said additional $1,000. So the part, and I looked it up when he told me what it was, the part is about $500 just to get it. It's between $300 to $500. You might can find one used. $300 to $500 for the part, and then the labor was like another $500 because I believe it's in the engine bay is where it's located. So total came out to the actuator, which was $580, plus another $1,000 for the FCIM and labor. So it's $1,500. So that's what we have the freaking heater, bro, for heat. We almost started to go cold, huh? Like, do we really need a heater? It's about to be a cold winter. Like, dang, we really need the heater. Right. I mean, it's not to the point. It's just, to me, it's like $1,500 to get my heater fixed was just, it was just something that just blew my mind. You know, if it was something else, I don't know, something a little more major, I can understand. It just for some heat, bro, that's kind of crazy. I have no issues with anything else in the car that's controlled by the front control interface module. That's where we at. But good news is, he also texted me like, hey, how long your backup camera been out? And y'all know the whole story about that. If you don't, I'll drop a card down that video. And so I told him, he was like, well, nah, man, your APIM, which is what the dealership told me. I guess I gotta tell you, I bought a brand new wire and camera when my camera went out. Literally after I replaced that, a day or two later, the camera just stopped working again. Went back to the dealership. This is a different Ford dealership now than the one I'm going to now. They're like, oh, okay, we did the camera harness. Your APIM is completely bad. You need a brand new one, so it's additional $800. So they was trying to charge me $1,400 to get my backup camera fixed. I like, you know what? I'm not paying an extra $800. Y'all should have diagnosed that first. Whatever. So it was just $600 for the brand new camera and harness. So that's why I left on the truck, but the camera was not working. I told Brody that story. He's like, well, I don't know if they talking about the APIM, but it's just saying on our end it's a faulty camera and it just needs a new camera. I'm like, well, I already paid $600 for a new camera. So he's like, okay, if you can give me that receipt from the dealership, I can just cover it under warranty for you. And so that's what I did. I called the old dealership. They gave me the receipt, sent it to Brody. So the backup camera is working now, under warranty, completely free. So Brody, I appreciate you looking out for that one. So there is some good news and some bad news, right? But the fact that this leaves a bad taste in your mouth about dealerships, I'm gonna be honest with you. Why were they trying to charge me $800 for APIM when that wasn't the issue? It was just a bad camera, which they supposedly had fixed and replaced that I paid $600 for. So that's why people have a bad taste in their mouth about dealerships. That's why I personally do as well. I mean, it just kind of is what it is. And, you know, I explained Brody this situation with this actuator, then the FCIM. I said, it's kind of like the camera thing, man. You know, I was honest with him. He's like, no, I completely understand. We wouldn't do nothing like that. You know, sorry you had the experience. So anyway, that's what we at. You ain't got nothing to say. I put you on the spot. None of that. No. And Bria, $1,500, she just like, nah. But she got to get a new car soon too. So guys, I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I've been debating and contemplating selling the Camaro. It's all talk. I'm not gonna lie, I really love the Camaro. And it's doing decent for the channel, to be honest with you, for it to be an audience I don't have. It's doing pretty decent as far as views, I think. Views have been down lately in general, but I think the Camaro is doing pretty decent for it to be something new to the channel. So I'm thinking about selling it. I don't know. The car market is crashing right now. Everything is like starting to just die as far as prices. So if I did want to sell it right now, I'd be to do it because I probably get what I pay for it. If I wait too long, I might not, you know? And then the truck. I ain't gonna say I'm thinking about selling the truck, but I'm kind of bored with Red. I'm be honest with y'all. I hate to say that. The truck has been gone now for about 2 weeks. Week or two. I'm pretty sure as soon as I see her, I'm just gonna be like, oh my God, my baby, you know. That's how it is.
You don't say that like that to me though.
I don't know. I want something, but I don't know what it is. Managing 2 vehicles is hard, I will say. As soon as I got this Camaro, guys, Red just started having issues. Like, Red has not given me any. This is the most amount of money I spent on service maintenance for Red since I had the truck. So as soon as I got the Camaro, like, Red just started tripping. She probably jealous, I get it. But it's kind of hard managing 2 cars. And I've been open with y'all about how much money I made from YouTube, and y'all know those numbers. And it's not $1,500 to cover the repair, you know? So, and I'm gonna do a video about that, like how I pay for the Camaro in the car, because a lot of people think we just like balling out here, don't they? People think we just balling, like, oh, y'all, you know, Brielle's getting a new car. She's getting a new car because her lease is up. She has to. It's not because we want to. We could maybe buy it. I don't know. This Jeep, I don't want to buy this Jeep, be honest with you. It's starting to show. Huh? Yeah, she's starting to get a little glitchy. Some little things we're starting to notice. So I personally don't want to buy this Jeep because I got a feeling this is going to be a headache later. Yeah, just managing 2 cars is kind of tough, guys. I'm not going to lie. I've been thinking about wanting to get a motorcycle again, but I don't know. I don't know, man. And maybe just sell both and get 1 truck and just stick to trucks, you know, just do truck stuff for right now. But we're going to get to the dealership, pick up Red, see to make sure the heat work, and yeah, I'll see y'all in a bit. Y'all think something like that? There we go. Oh, that's a platinum too. It says load out. That thing probably like 90 grand, probably more than that, man. Or what's that? EV, F150 Lightning. Oh yeah, it's another Lightning. Oh, that's dope. Hey, they got a Bronco Bay though, your truck. You don't like the Bronco. It's like something like that. You think it's too big for me? Super Duty? Huh? Brielle said it's too big. She said we don't need that. And I really can't justify getting a 250. It's just like, I was just telling Brielle, it's like the natural progression, like when you buying a car or a truck and you go from the F-150 to the 250. One what? Oh yeah, that's what I really want. Not the single cab though. But yeah, that was nice. So like that, Super Duty, that was clean. It still is.
Yeah. So I'd recommend getting somebody to.
Yeah, because it might blow up in.
It might, but the camera's not going to be messed up. It's just that fuse.
The fuse is going to blow.
Yeah.
So was the fuse blown?
We put a new one in there.
Okay. You know which one? You don't know which number, do you, by chance?
No, sir.
Okay. I wish I would know.
I can probably figure
Thank you,
it out.
ma'am. Yeah, don't fall out of there. I saw you fall. You say what, bro? I'm sorry.
I don't know what fuse it is just right off the top of my head, but I can get with the tech and
yeah, ask if you don't mind. Just because I have future issues with it, you know. But you said it's the fuse to the backup camera that correct. I might find it online too. Yeah. I'm pretty sure.
And you'll have a fuse diagram in your
okay.
as well. I don't know if you still have that.
Nah, I'm pretty sure it's in there. You know how it is.
It'll be on mine as well.
You don't mind being on camera, do you? You want to shout yourself out? Somebody need help, man? Like, no? Hey, so hi guys. So here's Brody, the man behind this, been helping me out, man. I know. I told him I did a pre-video on the way over here. I told him I was a little bummed about the price, but he helped me out, got my camera working, and he helped me with the price too, man.
Yes,
So I
sir.
appreciate it. So how can they find you if they need to get service?
Brody
done?
and Bob Thomas Ford Service.
What's the number?
972-832-9986.
All right, and I'll put that down there for y'all, man, if y'all need help. But I
Absolutely.
appreciate you, man, for
Yes,
sure.
sir.
You've been helping me
How
out.
you feel, bub?
Yep, yeah, man. So,
Just let me know.
all right, we'll do. So the camera working.
Yep.
And he told me something else I'm gonna share with y'all when I get in the truck. But
Yes, sir.
let's see if we got a backup camera. He says it's working. It took a second to pop on. See it come up. Am I in reverse? I'm in reverse. Ah, Brody, he says it's not working. Let me go ask him. Hey, Brody. So the backup camera is not working. I just talked to Brody, and what he told me was that whoever did one of my wheel lights or my rock lights or stereo, one of the two, has it wired into the freaking backup camera and it's blowing the fuse. So that's what's causing it. Apparently he just said it was working. They had it working fine, and I got in, the camera is not working. So anyway, so I guess we don't have good news. We'll have to figure that out. Heater is working. It's pretty hot. Brand new FCIM, brand new actuator apparently too. So we should be good. Like I said, think about selling it. I don't know. I mean, I got a lot of work into this truck, but you know, truck is running fine. Nothing wrong with it. You know, it'll be a good time to sell it. But sell the truck, sell the car, and start like with something like that. You know what I'm saying? But y'all heard Brielle, she said that's big. I don't really need nothing like that, and I really can't justify getting something that big. Besides, it looks cool, you know. But and diesel is expensive to repair too, from what I hear. And then you got to tune and delete it. And I heard the newer models, they don't even make it to where you can't tune and delete them right now. So you know, you might want to get like a 2020, like a 2020, 2021, as opposed to like a 2022, 23. Maybe they haven't found a way to tune and delete them yet, or they're unable to be tuned and deleted. One of the two. Anyway, guys, yeah, it's just it's being one thing, it's another. But she need new brakes too. So anyway, guys, it's your boy Q. If this is the end of the video, that's all I got. If not, y'all see another clip. But we'll see you. Peace.
Then you know I'm gon' feed him if you're coming for me. Hope you're ready for a demon.